Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the healing power of hibiscus, a flower that's not just beautiful, but also packed with powerful health benefits. We'll explore its traditional uses, modern science, and share 2 delicious recipes you can make at home. Let's get into it. Hibiscus, also known as Hibiscus sabdarifa, is a tropical flower rich in antioxidants. It's been used for centuries in Africa, Asia, and Latin America. Here are some of the top benefits of hibiscus. Number 1. Supports heart health. Hibiscus tea helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol. It relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. Number 2. Powerful antioxidant. It's full of anthocyanins, the same pigments that give berries their deep red color. These compounds fight free radicals and protect your cells. Number 3. Aids digestion. Hibiscus is mildly diuretic and may ease bloating or sluggish digestion. Number 4. Supports liver health. Research suggests hibiscus can help the liver process toxins more efficiently. Number 5. Boosts immunity. It contains vitamin C and antibacterial properties that help fight off infections. Now let's make a simple, healing hibiscus tea. Here's what you'll need. 1 to 2 tablespoons of dried hibiscus petals. 2 cups of water. Optional, a cinnamon stick, a slice of ginger, or a bit of honey or lemon. Instructions: bring the water to a boil. Add the hibiscus petals. Turn off the heat and let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain into a cup. Add honey or lemon if desired. Enjoy warm, or pour over ice for a refreshing cold version. This tea is tart, vibrant, and deeply cleansing. Next up, a powerful energizing drink. Ginger, hibiscus, and sugarcane juice. This combo boosts immunity, supports digestion, and gives you a natural lift without caffeine. You'll need 1 to 2 tablespoons of dried hibiscus petals, 1 inch of fresh ginger root, sliced, 1 to 1.5 cups of fresh sugarcane juice. If you don't have sugarcane juice, use coconut water and a bit of raw cane sugar. Instructions: boil 1 cup of water, add hibiscus petals and ginger, simmer for 10 minutes, let it cool. Strain and mix with the sugarcane juice. Serve over ice. The result: a bright red, tangy sweet drink with a spicy kick. Perfect for hot days, post-workout recovery, or whenever you need a natural boost. Hibiscus is more than just a pretty flower. It's a healing ally you can enjoy in teas, tonics, and wellness drinks. Try one of these recipes this week and let us know in the comments how it made you feel. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural wellness content. See you in the next video.